digital signal, it doesn't get any better. So, don't know how you're getting to the internet, but however you're doing it, keep on doing it because the sound's not great. Once again, congratulations on the move. Back up to you, K9FHX KZ4JON.
Well, John, I'm using repeater. It's 146-7600. It's owned or operated by K9LPW. I don't know, but I give him credit for having it. And I'm going to definitely mark this one in my memory. Yeah, I moved here actually a little unexpectedly, but opportunity arrived and everything came together for me. And I happen to be lucky enough to have part of my children here. I have a son who's an electrician and a daughter who works for Amazon. And I have 3 grandchildren and 2 great-grandchildren here. So it really makes it nice. I get to see part of the family I haven't had the opportunity to for years. I was raised in Quinton, Illinois, but all my relatives have passed on. So, and I'm only 550 miles away. It's a straight